Kublai pi baro kini gilong ki kubor bam takasngi. Samoi ialehkai snem arhajar arpniu jong Shillong Sports Association SSA kelas dang ni kasngi palai. Hamadan SSA Shillong na kajingli pat ba. Umenturang ba konat kisang ma oblai shimbenta ha kajingelang kumukongsan. Ha kini kajingelang lawan bani shimbenta ru da umentri katnat Sports and Youth Affairs ba wailat miki shilla. Kumusimbut kongsan umenturang ba ialehkai barim. Ba President ka SSA ba bante do lingdo. Nalor kinong kitkam jung association ki kinhun ialehkai be shimbenta ki rong ialehkai ki riu eat football. Hagani ka jingelang umentri rang ba ulapin na pa ba ru bala play ya ka samoi ialehkai football arhajar arpin riu. Bar ulapin her ya kalama ka SSA. Kum kada ka jingpins dang ya ka jing ialehkai league ka samoi. Habakran ki rong ialehkai kinong pinyad ber ki riu eat football. Chief Minister ulai kublai ka Meghalaya Football Association badi ka Shillong Sports Association namar ka jingay persyang baklam sa ngi jongki hakaban penklan ya ka jingay ialehkai football hapo ka jilla ka football ka bad ya ka jaka bakarpang ha ka donut jongki briu jongi bad ki samla ka Meghalaya ki chupen ka jing it bha ya ka ni ka jingay ialehkai la bun snem ngim shimla la ban ai ka rinson ka jing krishan bakalat ba ka jing ialehkai football ka de banyo ngakmen ba kini ki khindia snem ning ba ka jing persyang lang jong ka sarkar kinong penyadi ka sport ba ki kinhun badan benta nilala ban ki ushaprang bha ulaong haba pen scam ya ka thong ka sarkar ban penroi ki kam ialehkai umenturang ba ulaong ka thong jungi kalong ka bashai ni kwa ka Meghalaya bar khamtam ka Shillong ba kanong ba jong ka jing ialehkai football capital kari India. Uloong bakat ba kajing show pisah kajing tahi kalong ka badon kam ready ban bu jingmun markat jo. Hag ba penroy ka bor briu hag kajing ialehkai. Ngide ban kan show kinong ialehkai jongi, haki coach jongi, haki lempung ialehkai jongi, bar haki league jongi. La kalong haki kerdan ka sor district lani. Wat haki kerdan ki belong ngiap ban thau kilat kilenti ya ki khna shinrang bat kan thei jongi bakin ya khun. Nangkiu bat pos new ban mikmat ya ka Meghalaya haki kerdan ke bahalor mentri rang ba ulapan kan mauru ka jing kershan ka sarkar ya ka SSA kini ka snem balalen ulapan tip ba ka por ba ka association ka wani kran batu la kershan arpralak tingka da ka bamang na ka chief minister special grant ka balapan kiu hadin syaka laipolak tingka na ka benta ka ayom barang syudam haba beteng ya ka jing kershan mentau snem ulapan menai ka jingyarap balai po alak tingka na ka chief minister special grant na ka bentaban na apalong ya ka samoi ialehkai football usnem arajar artenriu ka bacham. Haba ya sami ka kubor bakinong ialehkai umturang ba kilaong ka jingjob ba jingram kidi shibenta jong ka jing ialehkai kumba kidi shibenta jong ka jingim. Ka ka bakham kongsan kalong kumnu pi ialehkai ya ka jing ialehkai ka ba piyo jinghikai na ka. Kat no pi traisitam, kat no pi long discipline, bat kum no pi pidyangi ka jing job na ka jing sharvem. Kani kari ka minsium kinong ialehkai. General Secretary ka SSA ba Dipshan El Nongbri, ula ay kublay yu mentri rang ba bat ka sarkar jilla, namar ka jing kershan baklam saangi, ha ka ban penrohi ka jing ialehkai football ha jilla. Ula penpau ba ka jing kershan bala ay ki ayom ialehkai, bala le kalapan la ek association ban pelong ya baro santli ki jing ialehkai division jong ka football league ka bajam kentup ka jing ialehkai football ki kenthei berkelimpung ialehkai hakishnong ki thau habakran halor ka jing rap jong ka song pisa ba yo jing rap la pentip ba kum khandai san person na gani ka pisa bla yo na ka sorka la pendan kam kum ka song khusna shaki klam ba ya so ki be shimbenta ki limpung ialehkai ka SSA Hagini ka jingyalang la ay sumabaharo ki Jesse ka SSA baki mementos siya ki kinrem kilindan ka jingpin ito ki kinhun ialehkai be shimbenta bar ka jingya shandur lang bar ki rang ialehkai nolor kinong pinyay. Ka jing ialehkai sedang jonggani ka samoi ka de ka blalong hapdeng ka Maunyang la Youth Sports Association bar ka say la sub FCC ka balapan bot hadin ka jingyalang play.
Once again, I wish all the teams the very best. In the first year, when the SSA had come and requested for support, I had sanctioned 28 lakhs from my Chief Minister's special grant Last year, somehow the budget went up, and I sanctioned 30 lakhs last year from my CMSG for this particular league. And this year also the budget has again gone up. So now the amount has gone up even more, but I may not be able to give all the amount that they require, but with my tradition of supporting a bit more compared to last year. So last year I had supported with 30 lakhs. I'm happy to announce that I will be giving 32 lakhs this year to SSA to conduct this particular tournament in a successful manner. My only request is please invite me for some games also, so that I can also watch some of the wonderful football out here. So once again, I thank all of you. I again congratulate SSA and also congratulate our Honorable Minister, the President of the MFA. When I was thanking everybody, he's looking at me, waiting that I'll thank him also. So I don't forget, don't worry. So I thank our MFA President also for all the efforts that are put in. And once again, I wish all the teams that are present out here the very best for the tournament. Please remember, winning and losing is a part of game and a part of life. What is important is how you perceive the game. What is important is what you learn out of it. What is important is how you come out of it. How you dedicate yourself. How you work hard. How you discipline yourself. And how you become a good sports person who will accept victory and defeat in the same humble manner. And that is really what the sportsman spirit is about. And I think that is what the larger message as a government is what we would like to give the youth of our state. That we would like sports to be part of every single youth's life. Not because each one will become a superstar, but because sportsmanship is a very, very important part of every single student and youngster's life. Once again, wish the SSA and wish all the clubs the very best. Thank you very much. Our President, Secretary and all the office bearers of the Shillong Sports Association, our officials from the MFA and the Meghalaya Olympics Association, and most importantly, all the players from different clubs who will be part of the football season of the Shillong Sports Association for 2026. I don't want to take much time because all of us are here to watch the match and to enjoy football. But I must congratulate MFA as well as SSA for successfully reviving the spirit of sports and spirit of football back into Shillong and the state as a whole. We all know that people in Meghalaya, they love football. And our youngsters are very passionate about football. But for whatever reason in the past, we were not able to provide the platform and the support to take football to the level that it deserves. I'm happy that in the last few years, with the efforts of our previous sports minister who is here with us today as your president, and also our current minister and the government, and all of you know both of them are football players, so they are very biased towards football. So they ensure that more and more projects and funds are given to football because they are both football players themselves. But that is why today we are seeing that there is a huge investment from the government side to promote football. We have a target and a goal to make Meghalaya and Shillong the capital of football of this country. And that does not mean simply by creating infrastructures we can achieve that. But we also have to invest in the human capital. We have to invest in tournaments. We have to invest in leagues, whether it is at the Shillong, city level, district level, and hopefully in the years to come, or months to come I should say, we will have leagues at the block level also. Because that is the only way for us to be able to really revive football at the grassroots level, is to create that excitement in our young boys and girls, even at the village level, where they will be able to look forward to that league match that will take place in some remote block in our state, which will then revive the love and the passion for football that all the young boys and girls of our state and the population at large, they have.